Luxury travel on a budget. Welcome back to Secret Capital Luxury, the YouTube channel that brings you the latest news, tips, and tricks on living a life of luxury without breaking the bank. Today, we're going to talk about luxury travel on a budget. Yes, you heard that right. We'll show you how you can experience the taste of luxury life without shelling out your entire savings account. Let's get started. Being flexible with travel dates. When planning a trip, it's important to be flexible with your travel dates to save money. Prices can vary drastically depending on the time of year and day of the week. For example, traveling during the shoulder season, which is the period between high and low season, can offer significant savings while still enjoying pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Similarly, traveling midweek instead of the weekends can lead to cheaper flights and hotel rates. To take advantage of these savings, it's important to plan ahead and book your travel well in advance. Being flexible with your travel dates can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars, allowing you to enjoy a luxurious trip without breaking the bank. Choosing what to splurge on. When traveling on a budget, it's important to prioritize what you want to splurge on. For example, you may want to stay at a 5-star hotel but can't afford to eat at their fine dining restaurants. Instead, you can save money by choosing a more affordable dining option while still enjoying the luxurious amenities of the hotel. Alternatively, you may want to splurge on a one-of-a-kind experience, such as a hot air balloon ride or a private tour, while staying at a more budget-friendly accommodation. By choosing where to splurge, you can still experience a taste of luxury without overspending. Negotiating for the price. Many people assume that luxury travel experiences are non-negotiable, but that's not always the case. Negotiating for a better price can lead to significant savings, especially when dealing with hotels, tour operators, or travel agents. It's important to do your research and compare prices from different vendors to find the best deal. Once you've found a vendor you're interested in, don't be afraid to negotiate. You can ask for an upgrade, a discount, or additional perks such as a spa treatment or a complimentary bottle of wine. The worst that can happen is they say no, but you may be surprised at how often vendors are willing to work with you to earn your business. Doing your own research. Doing your own research is key to traveling on a budget. By spending time researching online, you can find deals and promotions that aren't advertised elsewhere. You can use travel booking websites to compare prices for flights, hotels, and rental cars. You can also look for local deals on restaurants, attractions, and tours. Additionally, it's important to read reviews from other travelers to get a sense of the quality and value of different options. Doing your own research can help you make informed decisions and find the best deals, allowing you to enjoy a luxurious travel experience on a budget. On that note, there's no shame in enjoying the luxury life every now and then. So we compiled a few hotels that can achieve the same feature but on an affordable price. Prices may vary each time, but I think we've got the rough estimate. Park Hyatt Tokyo, Tokyo, Japan. Located in the heart of Tokyo, the Park Hyatt Tokyo offers stunning views of the city's skyline and is a favorite among luxury travelers. With stylish and spacious guest rooms, elegant dining options, and top-notch amenities like a fitness center and spa, this hotel offers a luxurious experience at a relatively affordable price. The Four Seasons Resort Bali at Sian, Bali, Indonesia. Situated in the lush greenery of the Sian Valley, the Four Seasons Resort Bali at Sian offers guests an authentic Balinese experience. The resort features private villas and plunge pools, a riverside restaurant, and a world-class spa. With rates starting at just under $500 per night, it's a great choice for travelers seeking luxury on a budget. The Rosewood Luang Prabang, Luang Prabang, Laos. Located in a tranquil valley just outside of Luang Prabang, the Rosewood Luang Prabang is a beautifully restored colonial mansion that offers a unique and luxurious experience for guests. The hotel features spacious suites, a stunning infinity pool, and an on-site spa, all surrounded by lush tropical gardens. Rates start at around $400 per night. The Ritz-Carlton Budapest, Budapest, Hungary. With rates starting at around $250 per night, the Ritz-Carlton Budapest offers luxury accommodations in the heart of the city. The hotel features beautifully appointed rooms, an on-site restaurant with panoramic views of the Danube River, and a top-notch spa. The Gran Melia Palacio de los Duques, Madrid, Spain. Located in the heart of Madrid, the Gran Melia Palacio de los Duques offers a luxurious experience at an affordable price. The hotel features spacious guest rooms, a beautiful courtyard garden, and an on-site restaurant serving up delicious Mediterranean cuisine. Rates start at around $200 per night. The Laetitia, Paris, France. Located in the chic Saint-Germain-des-Prés neighborhood, the Laetitia is a historic hotel that has been recently renovated to offer modern luxury at an affordable price. With rates starting at around $350 per night, the hotel features beautifully appointed guest rooms, a stunning indoor pool, and an on-site restaurant featuring classic French cuisine. So there you have it, our top tips for luxury travel on a budget. You don't have to be a millionaire to experience the finer things in life. With a little bit of research, creativity, and negotiation, you can enjoy a luxurious vacation without breaking a bank. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a life of luxury. And don't forget to share your own luxury travel tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching.